All right, so let's consider this question. We have 1 over p equals to b over t plus c over r. All right, make r the subject of the relation. So what we have to do, so we have a fraction here which is carrying a plus sign. So you have to look for the LCM of this, so which is 1 over p equals to the LCM of t and r is tr. All right, t cancel r, 1 times r times b, we have b r plus r cancel r, t times c, we have ct. Okay, from here we are going to cross multiply. All right, so if we cross multiply, we have 1 times tr, we have tr, which is equal to what? P. All right, we have pb arrow, all right, plus pct. Okay, so since we have arrow is common here, there's arrow here, there's arrow here, so we are going to move this to this side. So we have t arrow minus pb arrow, which is equals to pct. All right, now for us to get this arrow as our subject of relation, what are we going to do? We are going to divide. Okay, before we divide both sides, right? Before we divide both sides, arrow is common between these two here, so we have to bring it out. Arrow, which is equals to arrow cancel arrow, we have t, minus arrow cancel arrow, we have pb, which is equals to pct. Now, to make arrow subject of the relation, we are going to divide both sides by t minus pb. So, if we divide both sides by t minus pb, divide here by t minus pb. This cancel this. So our arrow will be what? PCT over T minus PB. Alright guys, this is the answer to the question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Bye.